Yes, I know the goal is to buy your house. You're determined to buy your house, and it is on top. It's on the top of your goal list. And I know you might watch the other video too on different ways to save for your down payment. But in this video, I'll talk specifically of how to get the right goal, how to set your goal smart to hit this figure that you're short. Yes, you meet with a mortgage agent already and you know exactly how much you can afford. You know exactly how much you have saved up into your account right now, and you know, so you may be short at $12,000. Let's put it at $12,000. It might be a little more or a little less, right? But let's say $12,000. So we really want to get to the nitty gritty of how to save up this $12,000 in the next 6 months so you can be in your house by summer. Does that sound like you? Let me know if this is you in the comment. Let me know. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to me here, my name is Ashika Turner. And in this video, I know, in this video, I'm going to talk specifically on how you can achieve hitting your goal. Yes, I know I've done a previous video of how to achieve your 2023 goals, but in this video, I'll be speaking specifically of how to achieve your financial goal of hitting the goal of achieving your down payment so you can live in your dream life in your own house by the end of the year. Let's get into it. So as I said, let's use the example of you shorting $12,000. So right now you have $13,000 save up and you short $12,000. Let's make a plan to achieve that $12,000 in the next 12, not even 12 months, in the next 6 months. Let's do this. We're gonna divide that $12,000 by 6. Dividing 12,000 by 6, we get $2,000, which therefore tells us that we need to get you to be saving $2,000 extra. Put on that $2,000 in order to get that $12,000 in the next 6 months. Breaking that down to even further, we're going to divide that $2,000 into 4. So $2,000 divided by 4, we know that you need $500 per week. Now, if you are a nurse, yes, I'm using nursing. I'm not being biased. I'm a nurse. But where are the nurses? Drop it in the comment if you are a nurse. Now, if you're a nurse, on my previous video, I shared ways of how you can save for your down payment. Now, remember, in number 4, we spoke about doing some overtime shift. Now, imagine, you're a nurse, yes, and you're working your regular full-time job, and so you want $500 more, which then equals to $500 per week. Now, you can identify and say, okay, how can I get this extra $500 per week? Number 4, do some overtime shift. So you're going to sign up with your work or sign up with an agency, and you can do maybe 2 extra shifts per week. Because let's even break it down further. Per day, so say 5, we're going to use the 5 working days. You need $100 per day, which is going to equal to that $500 per week, which is going to equal to that $2,000 per month, which will hit you the goal of that $12,000 by the end of the 6 months. So now, nurses, yes, we know there's jobs out there. You can do this. Nurse, you can do this. So go sign up with an agency and you work an extra shift. Now, if you're not a nurse, or if you're a nurse, but like the overtime shift, or it's not for you, or have the support to help you with the kids, then think about a little side business that you can do. What can you do that will bring you $100 per day? What can you do? Think about it. Looking at your skills, your gifts, your expertise. What do you have that you can monetize to give you this extra $500 per week. Can I do local here? Can I do local cooking? What can you do, right? So that's an easier way of breaking it down so you can achieve this goal of $100 per day. What can you cut back on? You remember in the video also I talk about what the things that you can cut back on. I'm not tell you everything. Go and go watch it. Go and go watch the video. But look to see what you can cut back on. And if you can't cut back on things, think to see how you can make a little more money while doing overtime shift or while doing some side business, something on the side to get some more money. So you see how easy we can break that down? Just fine tune. So with goal setting, you have to be smart. So you have to be specific. So you see how specific we came to the amount of money that you need. So although I use $12,000 as an example, I know your money, your figure might be different. So you go ahead and you do your calculation. Get out a pen, get out a paper, and you write down the amount of money that you're short of. How much more money do you need to save up? So be specific, right? Measurable. How much do you have now and how much do you need? How can you measure the amount that you will get by the end of the 6 months? Okay. Is this attainable? Can you really do this? So you're going to ask yourself, can I really do this? Is this really achievable within 6 months? Can I do this? If you cannot do it within 6 months, then you know so you have to do a little adjustment of the time frame of when you want to buy the house. So you determine what is it? How attainable is this goal, right? Is it realistic? Can I do I have what it takes to make this extra money? Do I have the skill? So if you say you're going to do a little side business, do you have the skills? Do you have the tools? Do you have the things that you need to do that business? Is it realistic to do that business to get that $100 per day? Nurses, is it realistic? Yes, me know say realistic for you to get to get the overtime shift. So yes, the overtime shift is realistic, but that is determined by if you have help to stay with the kids. So you weigh your pros and your cons and you see what is realistic. Now the time frame, you have to set the time. So you see how we set the time frame to 6 months, but yours might be 3 months, yours might be 12 months, yours might be 9 months. So you set your own time frame so you can achieve your goal of hitting this down payment, this closing cost, so you can have your house by 2023, December of 2023, right? If you like this video, if it helped you in any way or form, please like it, share with someone who you know will benefit from this video. Hit the bell because I'm sure you don't want to miss my other video because I'll be sharing some side hustles that you can do to make you money. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.